In this lesson we are going to cover the views. What we are seeing right now on the screen is actually a view. You recall that Laravel is an MVC framework where the V stands for view. In Laravel, views are the ones that are displaying the information to the user. They are considered to be the visual representation of your app. Getting back to our routes file, we can see that the original route that was included in the file was returning a view. This is done by calling the make function of the view class and providing hello as a parameter. This can be translated in create a view from the hello file. But what is the hello file in our case? If we navigate to the views folder, we can find a file called hello.php. This is the actual file that is displayed on the screen, or the view. When we call the make method and we pass hello as a parameter, we actually passing hello.php file located in the views folder, but Laravel is smart enough to make these assignments behind the scene. Let's open up the hello.php file to see its content. As you can see, most of the file content is actually HTML code along with some embedded styling. The local image is integrated as base64 data to make the file fully portable. Just to see how easy it is to edit the view, I'm going to add a new style that I will apply it to the "you have arrived" text. I will call it highlight. I want to put a 2-pixel green border around the text. Next, I will apply the style to the h1 tag containing the text. I'll just refresh the page and voila! A nice green border surrounds the text now. In this lesson, we discussed about Laravel's views. This represents the V part of the MVC pattern and usually are HTML files. But these can also have a more dynamic approach, as we'll see later when discussing about Blade. In the next lesson we are going to talk about databases. See you soon!